Hello everyone. So this is my last video of the watercolor series and I thought to give a proper introduction of myself. I have uploaded a watercolor series but haven't introduced myself properly. So here I am. Before that, today I'll be drawing a village landscape with a detailed tree in subject. First, here I am putting the first layer of colors. So hello, I am Roy. I also go by the name of Strokes of Pixel in my social medias. I am 22 years old and I am from Kolkata. I am a Bengali girl. I have completed my studies as of now and struggling to find a purpose in life. Art has always been an escape for me since childhood, so I never stopped painting. I find peace and calmness whenever I draw and in whatever I draw. Let it be a watercolor landscape or an anime character I recently admire. So I have already started putting the second layer. Adding random leaf features to give it more depth. I have only used two types of greens, sap green and deep green. Try to use a smaller size of brush while doing the leaves so that you can put more emphasis on the structure of the leaves in a big tree. Now let me tell you about the art style. And now here comes the funny part, because I don't have a style. You will find watercolor, acrylic, oil pastel, digital art, ink art, pencil work and many more mediums that I'll be discovering along the way. So it's definitely going to be an interesting journey. So here I'm adding some kash fools in the background, as during this time of Durga Puja here in Kolkata you can see kash fools everywhere around West Bengal. So to give it a touch of Durga Puja, I have added little bit of kash fools. This is my third layer and I have been adding black here to give it a life, little branches and little details all around. I'm adding a boundary to give it a more beautiful composition, but after that I thought of adding a duck, which was my mistake I think, but still it looks good. I'm almost done. We'll come with more exciting content in few days, and in the meantime comment below if you want to know anything more about me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like my art, and please join me on my struggle and of course to enjoy my content. Thank you everyone and keep creating.